Today you have a speaking session. In this session, you have to speak about Rudra, the holy man. You know about him as you have read it yesterday. So I think there is no need to read it because after your reading, I told you all about it in your own language in Hindi, and now you have to keep focus on it. Okay, so please
Sir, एक बार teaching.
don't try to cheat me, and if you like, you can read it only once honestly. I am giving you 2 minutes time.
Okay.
Okay, so okay, my dear friends, now we are starting the session. Hers, would you like to speak first, or would you like to listen to first to Rakshit?
सर एक बार और हेडिंग पढ़ के फिर आ रहा हूँ.
Okay, Rakshit, come on. मतलब रीडिंग करना बंद कर दो और अच्छे से एलिबोरेट करो इसको आप. Yes, come on, Rakshit.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am telling a story about Rudra, a holy man. So, once there lived a holy man named Rudra. So, he was very religious person and also a learned person. He had a lot of knowledge about spirituality and he believed a lot in God. And one day he decided to go another village which was many miles away from his village. So he went out to go there. Then and he took with him only three things. That were first a lamp, so that at night he could read his holy books and can increase his knowledge. And the second a cock means a hen, so that the hen could wake him up in the morning, early in the morning. And third was a donkey, there so that he could travel on the donkey's back to the village. And so these are the three things that the holy man Rudra carried with him to the another village. So after traveling for many miles, he reached the village, and where he asked the villagers to give him shelter, but nobody was there to help him. Everyone refused to help him by giving a shelter. So there was no option left for him. So out of the village there outside the village there was a big tall tree. There was a tall tree. So he there was a tree like a chabutra, you can say, where he sat down, where means he stretched out and rested, and he took rest there. And At the evening he lit the lamp and started to read the holy books. But suddenly a cold wind blew, and the lamp was gone out. The lamp was gone, and the lamp means the lamp goes out of the lamp goes out went out. And then the Rudra thought that villagers did not give him shelter, and now the lamp stopped working. So what would he do there? So then he only slept there. And then he woke in and then next day he woke up in the morning, and then he saw that some villagers were coming towards him. Then he asked that why are you coming here? You gave me no shelter in your houses, uh, and I have to stay here for the whole night and whole day. So the villagers said that this is all that happened to you, and now listen to us that what happened to the village. Then the villagers told that some robbers came to the village and robbed all the village. And along this and with this when some villagers tried to stop the villagers, so So the robbers, beat the robbers bet some villagers, and also three. And in this fight, three men were also killed. Uh, in this fight, so so then the and then the Rudra thought that God, everything that God does is must be for the best. So then he knelt and thanked God. That and this was the whole story of Rudra, about going uh, about him, that he went to a village, and these are the things that happened to him. And that's it, sir.
वेरी नाइस एक्सप्लेनेशन, शाबाश बेटा। ऐसे बोला करो खुल के, बस अपने हिसाब से थोड़ा सा डेवलप किया करो, थोड़ा सा चीज़ों को करने की कोशिश किया करो बेटा, है ना। इसीलिए मैं टॉपिक दिया है आपको मैंने, डिफिकल्ट भी नहीं है, और थोड़ा सा आप इसमें अच्छे से इसको एलिबोरेट कर सकते हो फैक्ट्स को ध्यान रख करके। ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बोलने की कोशिश किया करो, समझ गए ना। हाँ, दिस इज नॉट जस्ट अ फॉर्मेलिटी। इम्प्रूव करो थोड़ा सा अपने आप को। कम ऑन हर्ष, आर यू रेडी?
Yes, sir.
ओके, आ जा बेटा।
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshad. I'm going to tell you about a person named Rudra. So once there was a man whose name was Rudra, and
कनेक्टिविटी प्रॉब्लम हो गई इसकी। यू आर नॉट कनेक्टेड हर्ष। गाँव में शायद, ही इज इन द विलेज। ओके, सो ओके गौरव, आजा आजा, आ
sir,
गया क्या? आजा
sir,
आजा,
sir.
हाँ आजा।
Yes, sir. So hello, everyone. My name is Harshad. Today I'm going to tell you about a person named Rudra. So once there was a very holy man whose name was Rudra, and he 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 devoted his whole life to the God, in the serving of God. And once he went out for a journey to a village where he took only three things. The first was a torch to the first was a torch so that he could read the holy books. Second was a clock to wake him up, so that he could offer the prayer to the God.
शाबाश।
And third was a horse on which he can ride himself and uh, take its goods. Uh, so when he went to the village, there the villagers didn't give him either the shelter nor the food. So he went out of the village, near a people tree, under which there was a stone.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा। ऐसे
There wa- Under there was a very big stone plate on which he sat and slept. So so when he started reading his book at the night, then the torch battery went out, so he could not read the books. And and the and then the wind started to blow, and he was not able to sleep properly. But in any way he slept. And at the morning when he woke up, all the villagers rushed to him and asked that how was his how was his night. So he said that you did not give me shelter. I was hungry all the night, and the wind disturbed me a lot, and my torch battery went uh, worn out. So I couldn't read my holy books. So the villagers now started to talk that this was the only difficulties you faced. But in the village, some robbers came and took all the things from the village. And in this and and some people tried to stop them. In this way, six people were killed. सर ये भैया परेशान कर रहा है, एक खुद से परेशान कर रहा है, इसको भेजो यहाँ से।
रोहित ले जाएगा उसको साइड में। अब बोलो।
Yes, sir. So now he prayed to God and thanked and said, whatever God does is for your benefit only. So don't complain about it. That's it, sir.
वेरी
Yes, sir.
बाकी
So, hello
बोलना है तो
everyone, I'm
थोड़ा
Gaurav here, and my
बकवास मत करना, थोड़ा अच्छे से बोलना, थोड़ा सा लेंथ बढ़ाओ अपने बोलने की.
yes, sir. Hello everyone, I'm Gaurav here, and my today's topic is about a man named Rudra who believed in God. So, the our story starts with uh, a man named Rudra. He was very religious and believed in God too much, and he uh,
कनेक्टिविटी प्रॉपर नहीं है तुम्हारी. बाद में बुलवाएंगे हम लोग. जाओ. Come on, Anuj.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Renu, and today the topic is what we read yesterday. So, once there lived a man named Rudra who was very religious and learned and always eager to learn something. And
रुक जा बेटा. हाँ, बोल. बोल बेटा,
so
बोल.
one day however, he decided. However, he decided to go to another village to continue his like devotion towards God. So he just went out and he came into a small village or town to to a small village, but there was no shelter for him, and so he took three things. He took only three things with him. The first one was a lamp, and the second one was coke, and the third was a donkey. So, sir, messages aren't distract or wrong.
Who is doing this thing? Gaurav. बेटा ये गलती बात.
yes, sir.
नहीं.
Sorry, sir.
नहीं बेटा, बिल्कुल नहीं. डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है बेटा, समझो आप बात को. हम बोल अपने आप बोलेंगे.
Sir, मैं start कर रहा हूँ. Restart.
कर दो दोबारा.
Okay. Hello everyone, my name is Andrew, and today the story is what we read yesterday. So once upon a time there lived a holy man named Rudra. So he was obviously a religious and learned person and always eager to learn something new. And one day he decided to go to another village. So he decided to took only three things with him: a lamp, a coke, and a donkey. So all were useful for him to carry. So he took lamp to read the holy books in the evening, and a coke to wake him up in the early morning to offer his prayers, and the third one was donkey to carry him on its back or his luggage also. So he after walking too many miles, he reached out a small village, to a small village, and there nobody gave him shelter, and then he decided to go to outside the village where he saw a tall tree. So he decided to stay under the tree. So he stayed there, and he didn't have food to eat or water to drink. So he was hungry or thirsty. So yes, sir. So he started doing what he came for or what he went for. So he started. So he opened his holy book and lit the lamp, which was blowed out by the strong wind or heavy wind. Okay, blew out by the strong wind. So he was not able to read the holy book. So he exclaimed that it's the activity by God,
बहुत बढ़िया शाबाश यार. हाँ.
whatever he does for the best. So mm, he just stretched on the ground and went to sleep. Then some villagers came to him where he could not get the shelter, the villagers of the village, and then he came and saw him and asked that what why are you here, or what why how long have you been here. So he explained them that I came here at this time and for this purpose, and I could not get any shelter or any food or any drink. So the villagers explained him what has happened last night, what had happened last night, and they said that some robbers came, looted our village, and took everything, all we had. So this is all, and then he again thought that thank God. He again thought and thanked God on his knees that it must be that it was the best that I couldn't that I had not been there. So the moral of the story is that Rudra thought that whatever God does happens, whatever happens for the best. That's it, sir.
शाबाश. बहुत बढ़िया यार. बहुत अच्छे से यूजेस करते हो आप यार चीजों को. Exclaim like that. Very good. देखो थोड़ा सा सुना करो एक दूसरे को. गौरव.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone, I'm Gaurav here, and my today's topic is
सर मेरे को जाना है सर. बाय सर.
चलो बोले मत अब तू. हाँ तू बोल भाई गौरव.
yes, sir. So, hello everyone, I'm Gaurav here, and my today's topic is about a religious man who whose name was Rudra. So once there lived a man. His name was Rudra, and he was very religious, and he believed in God too much. And he had a lamb, a cock, and a donkey. A lamb to read his holy books, a cock, he used that cock as an alarm, and a donkey for traveling.
ऐसे बोला कर बेटा, थोड़ा सा दिमाग चलाया कर बेटा.
And one day he thought to visit another village. He sat on his donkey and rode it for miles and miles. He reached the village, but he did not get any but he didn't get any shelter, food, or any appliances there. So he didn't stay at that village. He stayed a little far from that village, and he was reading his holy books, but a cold breeze hit him on his back, and his lamp was extinguished by that wind.
शाबाश. वेरी गुड.
And
लगाया ना दिमाग.
also,
अच्छा हाँ बोल बेटा.
yes, and also he and also he thought to sleep, and after and he woke up in the morning, and the villagers saw him lying on the ground, so they woke him up. And then they said that why are you staying here? So Rudra told them that this and this happened to me. So the merchant told him that last night there was an attack on the village. The village was attacked by gangsters, and 3 people were killed, and all the wealth was robbed by those gangsters and robbers. And then Rudra thought that if I would have visited that village and stayed in that village, he would have been robbed and get injured also.
Hmm.
So then he thought that whatever God uh, do, it's for good only.
Hmm. तूने इतना सारा लिख दिया, मेरे को नाम ढूंढने में देख कितनी दिक्कत हो रही है पागल। देख क्या किया है तूने।
सर जीरो सिविक सेंस है ना।
बेटा बहुत गंदी बात है, बहुत ज्यादा गंदी बात है। अब मेरे को मिल नहीं रहे बाकी के नाम। क्या बदतमीजी है तेरी ये? हाँ, क्या किया है तूने गौरव? हाँ,
सर
क्या
लक्ष्मी
पागलपंती
दीदी
की
का
है
नाम
तूने
है,
आज ये?
उनसे बात।
सर मेरा नेम है।
क्या पागलपंती की है रे? खड़ा हो जा अपनी सीट पर। पागल है क्या बिल्कुल? सारी क्लास को डिस्टर्ब करता है। क्या बदतमीजी की है तूने आज ये? कल से अगर एक शब्द भी लिख दिया ना, रिमूव कर दूंगा क्लास में से तेरे को मैं। हद होती है पागलपंती की भी यार। यस कम ऑन लक्ष्मी, खड़ा रहे बस ऐसे ही अब तू।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today I am describing about a story whose name was whose which depend on a man whose name was Rudra, and Rudra was a religious person and he believed on God, and one day he went out to a village, and he took only three things. One is a lamp for for reading holy books, and second is a cock
इसकी
for
वाइस आवाज आएगा ना?
yes sir,
ए, थोड़ा ध्यान दे बेटा,
and
इसीलिए तो मैं दे रहा हूँ ये टॉपिक, तुमको ध्यान करो थोड़ा सा। हाँ,
second was a cock for wake up him earlier,
और
and
वेकिंग हिम अप,
yes sir,
और
third
वेकिंग हिम
was
अप। हाँ,
third was a donkey. Donkey helped him to carry anything, and he went a small village
टू अ स्मॉल
during
विलेज। फोकस करो थोड़ा, फोकस करो थोड़ा, टूट फूट नहीं होनी चाहिए यहाँ।
he went a village
टू
a
अ
small
विलेज
village.
बोल रहा
Yes
हूँ ना,
sir.
टू लगाओ बेटा।
Yes sir. To a village, and nobody helped him to give him shelter, and and out of the village he went, and he stayed on under a tall tree, and there he let he lit his lamp
लेट नहीं
in
लेट।
the he lit his lamp in the night, and he started to read his books, his holy books, and suddenly a cold wind
वाइंड नहीं,
blew
विंड।
a cold wind blew the lamp, and he he slept,
स्लैप।
and and in the early morning some villagers came there, and they asked him, are are you are you all right? And he replied them that I am not right, I'm not right,
आई एम
and
नॉट वेल।
I am not well, and he said them, I didn't eat anything in the night, in the last night, and the villagers described described him for about the last night, and they said them, some robbers came in the village, and they looted many things, and in the village three men were killed by the robbers, and and when he listened him he listened them, he was shocked, and he thanked to God, because he believed on God, and he said that whatever happened for good, and 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 he went away from the place. That's it, sir.
ओके। और आज तो थोड़ा कोशिश की ना, ऐसी कोशिश किया कर बेटा,
Yes,
चीजों का
sir.
ध्यान रखा कर बेटा, प्रीपोजिशन का, वर्ब फॉर्म का। अब जाएगा नहीं, टूटा फूटा नहीं चाहिए बेटा, अब है ना बेटा, थोड़ा सा फोकस करती है तो ठीक हो जाता है। फोकस क्यों नहीं करती फिर? थोड़े दिन करेगी तो फिर आदत में आ जाएगा बेटा सब कुछ, है ना?
Yes,
हाँ,
sir.
यस, कम ऑन वैष्णवी।
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir, and good evening, all of you. I'm Vaishnavi. Today, I'm telling about a story that we have read yesterday. Uh, the story name is about the man whose name is Rudra. You know, he was a very holy man and a very religious person and learned person. And one day, he decided to go to the another village, and then he took three things. First, the lamp that the lamp
हाँ, धीरे धीरे बेटा, तसल्ली से, हाँ,
so that
शाबाश।
he can the lamp so that he can read the holy books to gain the knowledge, and after that second is the cock.
His name
The
was,
cock,
पास्ट टेंस पे फोकस करो,
the
पास्ट में भी
cock,
आएगी बेटा स्टोरी। हाँ,
yes sir, the cock, uh, the cock woke up early in the morning, and the last is a donkey. The donkey, carry on him on its back, and so these are the things that I have told you, and now I'm telling about. So he decided to go to the another village after traveling. After traveling for miles, so uh, he because he had no food and no shelter and nothing to drink also, and uh, he decided to sleep under a tall tree, and because he sleep under a tree because nobody gave him the shelter, and don't give him a shelter, and at the evening he lit the lamp to read the holy books to gain the knowledge, and you know uh, uh, and he stretched himself on the ground, and he slept, and the next morning he saw that the the lamp was was सर बुझ जाने को क्या बोलेंगे,
extinguished।
extinguished, and some villagers came towards him and said, "Are you all right?" And he said, "You don't give me any food or
You
shelter.
didn't give me।
You
अच्छा।
didn't give me
हम्म।
you didn't give me any shelter or food, so I have to sleep under a tall tree." Slept under a tall tree, and the yesterday night, previous night, the wind blew out, and they destroy all the things that I had, and
फोकस करो, शाबाश।
so that so the villagers told him why they didn't give the shelter or a food. They said that uh, during night some robbers looted us, that everything we had, and so that's why we can't give you the shelter or food or any drink, any nothing to drink, and anyone who tried to kill on them, and the three men were killed. So that's why we couldn't give you the shelter or food. So the Rudra once knelt down on the ground and thanked to the god. Thank you, sir. That.
ओके बेटा, और थोड़ा सा फोकस करो बेटा, है ना, और फोकस करने की जरूरत है थोड़ा सा बेटा, बस। ओके, खुशी आ जाओ बेटा।
Yes, sir. Hello and good evening to all of you. My name is Kushi Gujar. I'm telling about a story. This story depends on a man whose name was Rudra. He was a famous holy man. He was a very learned and religion person,
रिलीजियस।
religious person. He took only three things. First thing was a lamp for reading holy book, and second thing was a coke for for waking up early in the
waking
morning.
him up।
Yes, sir. And third thing was a donkey. Donkey helped to carry anything him. One day he decided to go another village. He went. He went. He reached a small village, but there no one helped him. So uh, he was he was sad a little, but he decided to he decided to go nearby. He decided to go nearby forest, and uh, in the forest he sat under a tall tree in the evening, and he सर उसको जलाने को क्या बोलेंगे इसमें he own lamp.
जलाया, लिट।
He lit a lamp, but the
लैंप आएगा
wine
ना, पहले आ चुका है लैंप एक बार, तो दा लैंप आएगा ना, आर्टिकल
the
को चेंज
lamp,
करो। हाँ
yes.
हाँ।
But the wings blew out the lamp. So he thought that uh, God is great, and whatever happens to for good. So he was very he believed on God a lot. He never complained to God for anything,
शाबाश,
and
फोकस करोगे तो
he
अच्छा हो जाएगा। हाँ बोलो।
he slept after it. He slept under the tree, and uh, he woke he woke up he woke up early in the morning, and he saw that some villagers came to came to came to towards him
Came to him,
to
were
him,
coming towards him। हाँ।
and the villagers reached to him and said, "Are you all right?" Uh, so the Rudra said in complaining tone, "I'm not good."
शाबाश, ऐसे फोकस करेगी तो अच्छा होगा बेटा, फोकस की जरूरत है बस। हाँ।
And why were you helping me? Why were you help me in the last day yesterday? And after it, the villagers said that, do you know about some robbers? He the, the villagers said about some robbers. Uh, some robbers came in the village, and he said all things that the robbers killed three men and looted all things, and after listening this thing,
शाबाश शाबाश, घबराया मत कर तू बिल्कुल भी। हाँ,
after listening this thing,
फोकस करके रख बस,
the
थॉट्स पे
Rudra,
जाओ सेंटेंस पे। हाँ,
the Rudra again said, thank you so much, God. And he thought that whatever happens to whatever happens for a reason. That's
whatever happens for a reason.
yes.
अच्छा, आज अच्छा किया तूने, थोड़ा सा फोकस किया कर, घबराया मत कर, थोड़ा सेंटेंसेस पे, वर्ड्स पे, थॉट्स पे सब आता है, लेकिन वो हड़बड़ाहट में गड़बड़ी हो जाती है। बेटा आज तो बहुत अच्छा बोला है तुमने ना, ऐसी कोशिश क्या करो। तो
Okay,
आपके
sir.
हाथ में है हर चीज को ठीक करना बेटा, अब है ना। यस
Yes.
अन्ना,
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. Now I am telling you about the story what we have
जल्दबाजी मत करना, बिल्कुल भी आराम से बोलना, तसल्ली से बेटा।
yes, sir. What we have read yesterday. So hello. Sorry. I am telling about a person, Rudra. He is a very
His name
believable.
was, बिल्कुल
He
नहीं,
was
पास्ट यूज होगा पूरी स्टोरी में। हाँ,
he was a very believable person in God. He always believed in God, and one time he had think that he had to shift in another village
to another village.
on another village, but by shifting there he has only taken three things. He
took only three things
Okay, sir. He took only three things
with him. पूरा बोलो।
with him.
आराम से बेटा, फोकस कर बेटा थोड़ा सा।
A cock, a lantern, and holy books.
हाँ,
So when he go to the village, when he went to the village, he found that no one is allowed was
ध्यान नहीं लग रही वर्ब फॉर्म का, प्रेजेंट में बोल रही है उसको।
was allowing him
didn't allow him
to share their house or room. And after it is the time of night.
It was
the time of night. He went to a big tree and slept there. In the morning, when sunlight fallen on his face, some villagers asked him that you are here from all night. Then Rudra said that you have not had given me place to sleep or reading holy books, and in the night when I start reading holy books, the wind is flowing, so I cannot read holy books also. Then the villagers said, we don't give you a place to sleep because there are many robbers and take everything of us. They when we speak when
सर बचाने को क्या बोलूं?
क्या बचाना है?
मतलब सर हम बचाते थे हमारे सामान जब
सेव
when we save our things, they beat us very badly and they also have killed 3%. And then Rudra thanked the God very much. So that's it.
बेटा थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखो बेटा, थोड़ा सा फोकस करो बेटा, फोकस की कमी नजर आ रही है बस, और कुछ भी नहीं है, बहुत अच्छा
Okay,
कर
sir.
सकते हो आप, थोड़ा फोकस करो बेटा, है ना? हाँ बेटा, थॉट्स पे, सेंटेंसेस पे, वर्ड्स पे, वर्ब फॉर्म पे, है ना बेटा? हाँ थोड़ा ध्यान दो बेटा। अंजू
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. My name is Anjali Meena, and my today's topic is yesterday's story.
अच्छे से बेटा, धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से बेटा, जल्दबाजी नहीं बेटा। हाँ
Yes, sir. So, once upon a time, there was a holy man that was so much religious and believe in God.
पास्ट टेंस को यूज
So
करना है। हाँ
one day, he decided to live in another village. So he took 3 things: lamb, a cock, and a donkey. He take lamb for reading his holy book at night, and cock to the cock wake up him on early morning and he can do his prayers. And at last he took donkey to carry him to another village and taking his things.
शाबाश।
So when he reached to that village, everyone declined to take him in his house
बहुत बढ़िया,
and give
शाबाश।
shelter and food.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा। हाँ बेटा, बोल बेटा, शाबाश, बोलती रहे। हाँ
So he decided to go sleep under a tall tree. So when when he sat there after 2 or 3 hours, the cold breeze came and take his lamp.
blew out his lamp। हाँ
Blew out his lamp. And so lamp and everything. So he had to sleep, and when he slept after a day, means it's yesterday. So tomorrow he wake up.
the next day he woke up। tomorrow कैसे हो जाएगा?
Next day he woke up and he saw villagers standing there. So he asked what happened. He said, "Are you safe or do you have any hurts?" लगी को क्या बोले?
क्या लगे?
मतलब लग गई हाथ पे या पैर पे, कहीं पे भी।
he was hit।
Do you hit yesterday?
are you
alright?
That's it। are you alright?
Are you alright? He said in complaining tone. No, everyone declined me. Say, and why you come here? You declined me and you don't give me any shelter, any food. I have to sleep here in the cold breeze at night. And my lamp, it was gone in the cold breeze. So he said, for that we are sorry, but at late night robbers came and took everything, and people who are beating him to stop there. He was dead. So he thanked thanked God so much to save him.
Save, हाँ बोलो बोलो बोलो, to keep him safe, हाँ
So that's it, sir.
वेरी बहुत अच्छा इम्प्रूवमेंट है, और थोड़ा सा और फोकस करोगे तो बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा, है ना बेटा? बहुत अच्छे से कोशिश किया आपने, शाबाश। सिमी,
Yes, sir. Hey everyone, I am Simran, and today I am telling about the yesterday's story, whatever we learned. And uh, Rudra was a holy man, and he lived.
लिव्ड बेटा
He
पास्ट
lived.
टेंस, हाँ हाँ पास्ट टेंस, फोकस कर बेटा थोड़ा सा।
Okay, sir. He lived in a village, and one day he thought uh, he need he need going to needs
नीडेड
he
बेटा,
needs going to.
नीडेड बेटा, नीडेड पास्ट टेंस यूज करो,
Okay, so
हाँ बोल।
he needed uh, going he needed going to outside, so he decided uh, traveling uh, to another place. So he took three things with him. First, first was the holy name. The first was uh, holy book, but it was not haunted. But he took first lamp. Yes, he took lamp, and second was uh, coke uh, for walking. No, for walk,
वेकिंग हिम आप बेटा,
waking
हाँ
waking him in the morning, and he used it as an alarm, and third was a donkey for
टू कैरी हिम,
selling to carry him uh, bag, and
टू कैरी हिम एंड हिज लगेज,
okay, sir, and he went in a small village
टू ए विलेज, टू लगाओ, हाँ
and he saw there uh, any there nobody gave any shelter to him, uh, and so he decided went another
टू गो,
place.
इनफाइनाइट वर्ब आएगी यहाँ पे, या ही
हाँ
डिसाइडेड
सर,
एंड
he
वेंट ऐसे आएगा फिर,
decided
हाँ
go.
हाँ बोल
He
बोल बोल।
decided the another place when he stay in a in the night at night. he he lit the lamp uh, for reading the book and gain some knowledge. So uh, a but but his luck was not good. So suddenly a cold
कोल्ड,
cold wind came and
हमने ब्लू आउट ऐसे कर दो ना, ब्लू आउट द विंड,
blew out the lamp, and so he thought that time nothing to do, for nothing to do with सर उसके पास कुछ करने के लिए
है बेटा,
उसके पास को क्या बोलेंगे सर
तो पूरा सेंटेंस बोलो.
यस सर nothing to do have anything
He had nothing to
नहीं
do.
nothing to do so that's why he self he was going he was went to sleep and in the morning he looked some people uh, some people came towards and came towards him
हाँ.
and they asked to him are you all right I are you okay but he said to but he said I'm not okay because last night I didn't eat anything and I had no I had not I have I had no any shelter so
I hadn't any shelter. I had no shelter. ऐसे बोलो.
I had no any shelter
हाँ, no आ गया ना.
so
जरूरत नहीं है. अब बोल आगे बोल तू. Recording सुनना समझ में आएगा. बोल बेटा.
and the villagers told to him uh, uh, be- because we they are no they why they didn't give any shelter and you are so you are so lucky you didn't stay in the village because last night some robbers came there and they looted valuable things and uh, they they were they beated uh, that person who was tried to uh, save saved anything and uh, even they killed 3 men so the Rudra so Rudra uh, again uh, again gave thank again uh,
Thanked God.
thanked God and he knelt down on the earth sorry on the earth I mean ground and he thought God's plan always good for for all people for anyone and uh, whatever happened with him uh, that 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 was good and what will happen with him that 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 was all always because God give always uh, God give always that's it sir
थोड़ा फोकस बढ़ाओ बेटा अपना, है ना बेटा. बाकी बहुत अच्छी कोशिश है, शाबाश.
okay sir
Come on कल्पना. कैमरा चालू कर बेटा.
Yes, sir. Today,
हाँ बेटा बोल बेटा.
yes, sir. Today our topic is holy man. His name is Rudra. He was
Past
very
tense use कर बेटा.
rich.
Past tense use कर.
He believed in God. He decided to go in another village.
धीरे धीरे बेटा तसल्ली से, शाबाश. हाँ
He
इधर उधर ध्यान मत लगा बिल्कुल भी.
take
कौन है हटा दे उसको. फोकस करेगी तो अच्छा बोल पाएगी बेटा, नहीं गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. बोल.
he takes three things. First was a lamp to read holy books. The second was a cock he used for alarm.
बोल बोल बोल. हाँ.
The third was a donkey he used for traveling. He came in small village. There no shelter. He went out of the village. He
शाबाश शाबाश कोशिश कर. हाँ.
he stay under a tall tree. He had no food and no drink, no anything. He lit the lamp to read holy books. Next morning, he woke up. He saw some villagers come there and asked, "Are you all right?" He said, "I am not
शाबाश शाबाश
all
कोशिश कर.
right."
हाँ.
He complained to villagers, "I had to sleep under this tree without food and drink,
Without food and water. हाँ आगे बोल. शाबाश
without
शाबाश
food
शाबाश.
and water." The lamp was, सर बुझाऊ को क्या बोलते हैं?
The lamp blew out.
Blew out. Villagers said, "Are you lucky? There some robbers attacked and take everything and killed 3 men." Rudra knelt down and thanks to God. That's it, sir.
बहुत अच्छा. कितने दिन में बोली आज देख. हाँ बहुत अच्छी कोशिश करी बेटा. शाबाश. अब रेगुलर रहे बेटा बस, है ना. हाँ रेगुलर रहेगी तो बहुत अच्छा फ्लो आ जाएगा बेटा तेरा. कोशिश किया कर बस. यस कम ऑन आदित्य. आदित्य इज द लास्ट पर्सन. यस कम ऑन आदित्य.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. I am Aditya, and today's our topic is about yesterday, a story which name is Rudra, which is about Rudra. So he is very religious person,
ये नहीं
and
पास्ट टेंस में आएगी सारी.
okay, sir. He was a very religious person, and he always read some holy books. One day he
पास्ट टेंस को यूज करो.
one day he decided they lived any other village, and then
हाँ बोल बोल.
he said then he took 3 things with him, and that is, first is a lamp to read his holy books, and second is a donkey to carried him, and last is
फर्स्ट वन बोल.
yes, sir. And last is a cock to 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 uh, woke up him in early in the morning, and then next day he traveled so many he traveled so many miles, and then he saw a village. Then 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 he asked the villagers, can I lived here? So the villagers said him, get out here.
But the villagers, but आएगा यहाँ पे सो नहीं आएगा.
Okay, sir. But the villagers said him that get out from here and stayed any other village. So
नहीं आएगा वाली. हाँ बोलो.
okay, then he stay under a tall tree, which is which was near the village, and in the night he suddenly cold wind will be started, and then that wind blew his lantern, and then he couldn't read his holy books. Then and in the morning he saw that villagers came towards to him, and then they asked them, are you okay? Because some chapri gangsters came in the village and in the night, and they killed 3 men. And then the Rudra said that no, I am not fine now. Suddenly cold winds will be started, and my land.
फ्यूचर का क्यों बोलेगा? पास्ट का जब मैं बोल रहा हूँ तेरे को कुछ भी बोल देता है. थोड़ा दिमाग भी लगाया कर बेटा. पता विल कैसे आ जाएगा इस स्टोरी में? आगे बोल, ध्यान रख थोड़ा सा.
Okay, sir.
हाँ.
My lantern was due, and I couldn't read my holy books. So and you asked that I am fine. So then the Rudra said that it is good for me. The lantern was due, and then if the lantern couldn't do, the robbers saw that someone sit under the tree, and then they came to the Rudra, and then they harm. Then they could harm me. So this is good. My lantern could be due. Yes, that's it.
थोड़ा ध्यान रखा कर बेटा. थोड़ा सा फोकस करेगा तो बढ़िया होगा. चीजों पे ध्यान रखा कर बेटा, है ना. स्टोरी में फ्यूचर का क्या काम बता.
हाँ सर.
चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच.
कभी